Well, I had a visitor. It's a wild bird. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is, but he's here. Um, I'm gonna help you escape. I just want to make sure I do it safely and not stress you out. So that's why I'm not like rushing at you. I understand it was a mistake to come in here, and I forgive you your trespass because you are cute. Oh, hey, on the chalkboard now. Oh, he's on the kitchen. Come back over here, buddy. He's just trying to escape me and Tony. I had to lock up Tony in the bathroom, so you probably hear that in the background. So let's try to rescue this bird. Can it be done? I don't want to scare him. Oh, buddy. There you go. Here you go. Come on. Let's see if we can chase him out. Where did he go? Oh. Come on, this way. It's getting dark. This way. I'll give you a free ride on my finger, but... Oh, he is... Come on. This way. Oh, you're so tired. I might have to catch him with a net or something.